Welcome back, Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're going to do a cold start wilt run on the 1978 Pontiac Bonneville. It's been kind of snowed in here for the last month and a half, but the snow's melted quite a bit. Even though we got quite a bit of snow still underneath the hood, we'll see if she'll crank up. Now, I say it's been probably, almost 2 months since it's been started, which it should start. It always has. So, give you guys a little walk around of this paint devoid turd. As you can see, it ain't been run for a while. It's got snow down in the fan, so that's a pretty good indication. Well, I'll take and put you guys over here. You can watch me pump the gas pedal. Hopefully the sound quality ain't terrible. It is kind of windy out here today. Keep towels on the dash, keep the sun off from it, because the dash isn't cracked yet, that I know of. Alright, here we go. Starts like a champ. Staying running, that's another story. The old carburetor needs to be taken apart. The idle circuit, I think, is plugged up in it because it will not idle once the choke comes off. I ain't had time to mess with it, so. There it is, the old 301. Is she gonna stay running for me? She's struggling. Got a single chamber muffler on it. No cat. Don't sound too bad back here. Well, the old carb is not liking it. It's starting to warm up a little bit. Yep. Start her back up. Got the old fan taking a hit in that snow. It's stuck between the radiator and the fan and the shroud. Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, she did start. Looks like inside. The inside looks better than the outside does, no doubt about that. That, and I'm kind of using it for some storage in the back seat. Need to do some fiddling with it so I can drive it again. Good running driving car otherwise. Well, guys, I think I'm going to do it for this one. 78 Bonneville. Yes, she does start. So, remember, if you guys like content like this, hit the old subscribe button. I always got something we're going to take and put on there. Cold start, wheel it runs, something we'll fiddle around with, some old derelict garbage of some sort. So, thanks for watching. Till next one. Bye.